Hey, what's up out there, YouTube? Double D here with Tournage Dubois. Welcome back. Today we're just going to do a quick video, just some entry-level kits that you can make as a beginner to kind of get into turning, get some practice. They're not very expensive to purchase the kit, so they're fun to make and give away. But they also put you into an entry-level price point to for craft fairs, things like that when you start doing those. So we are doing some hidden compartment keychain kits. I get these from Penn State Industries. And they're really simple to make. The bushings of the kits that you use allow you to turn 2 at a time. So what we're going to do today is I have some already prepped up. I have some pheasant wood. I have what I believe to be some bloodwood, but I like the graining in it. And then I have a piece of stabilized maple burl that we're going to be doing as well. But I'll walk you through the cutting process. This is very similar to how I do my pins. Cut them, drill them with a 10mm drill bit, glue the tubes in, square off the ends, and then we'll get them on and turn. So without any further ado, let's get going. Hey everybody, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed that. I know it's a real quick video, but there's always important things for beginners to be able to understand that there are some nice kits that they can make and put together in a relatively short time and start helping to make some sales. So we have our literally 6 keychains that I did in 1 hour. So we have our 2 that I believe to be Bloodwood. One is darker than the other, one gold and chrome in the finishes. So we have our 2 Pheasant Wood, chrome and satin on the finish on those pieces. And then we have our 2 that are Stabilized Maple Burl, which I think are just stunning. I did finish these a little bit differently than I did the others. The others I just simply did the abrasive paste, and then I did the Doctor's Wood Shop. On the Burl ones I did Brad's Tung wax as well. Each one of the kits unscrews. There is a silicone ring inside the cap that gives it a little bit of a buffer. You can absolutely hold toothpicks in there. You can roll up some bills, keep them in there, just an extra little hidden compartment. So I hope you enjoyed this little quick project. All 6 of these, if you have the blanks cut, drilled, glued, and the ends squared off, I turn about 4 of them an hour roughly, 4 to 5 per hour. Since I had to do the 2 maple burl pieces, all 6 of these took me just a little over an hour and a half to get completed. So if this is your first time here, please do consider subscribing. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. But either way, leave comments, thoughts down below. What color combinations do you like? Are there specific shapes you think that are better than others? Just what's your overall impression, and where are you in your wood turning projects? I'd always like to know that. So at that rate, we will catch you all next time.